Uh-oh. Extreme driving conditions. Uh-oh. Sliding all over the road. It's too foggy without the fan, boys. I gotta put the fan on. That's kind of hard to see. These wipers suck. But yeah, a little bit of a snowstorm here. A little bit of a snowstorm. So we parked the truck down the bottom of the hill. Not me. We'll just get started. I can't see jack shit. How about you, Bubba? Do you see anything? No? Okay, good. Whee! I'm in four-wheel drive and I'm still spinning. This is what I kind of like. Unfortunately, it's hard to drive holding a camcorder. Wipers are making things worse. How do I don't have any pisser fluid, I don't think. Oh, a little bit. Oh, my wipers suck. They shouldn't. Fuck, they're brand new. It's not like I spent a whole whack of money on it. Can't see shit. I guess I should put my headlights on in inclement conditions. What do you think, Bubba? You like the snow? No, you don't like the snow. It's cold, isn't it? This fucking thing is awesome in the snow. I love this little kid. It's so fun. It's just too cold. Having a hard time getting de-iced. Uh-oh. We have oncoming traffic. Better slow down. Need to put them in the ditch, or them to put me in the ditch. Oh, they got four-wheel drive. They're good. This thing's kind of got this. I hope the woman made her home. Otherwise, I'll be having to go back and get her. Down this neck of the woods, a little bit of snow don't stop too many people. Almost everybody got a fucking four-wheel drive truck anyways. Kind of hard to survive with a four-wheel drive around here. One second, people. I need to do something. I don't know what I need to do. I wish my wiper would actually wipe my fucking window. What do you think, Bubba? Huh? What do you think? You think you're too close to the camera? Alright. I love the ocean. Sliding around on the roads next to the ocean. That's why you drive a four-wheel drive. But, yeah. I'm gonna see if the woman's home. If she's not home, I'm gonna go looking for her, I think. Make sure she don't go and tough the ditch. So I actually have lots of fuel in this thing for a change. And I'm not too worried about getting pulled over, because good luck catching me. I just wish it would heat up enough so I could see fairly well. can see out the windshield fine, but the side windows, they're still fogged up. They're all fogged up. I gotta change the setting, I think. Put it on even heat. But anyways, if I do more crazy driving, I'll get back to you. Well, sorry about the noise from the heater, but it's cold as fuck out here. Anyways, it's snowing outside, and I finally remembered my threaded rod. And this is my plan for some weight on the back of this sucker. I'm gonna have to take some tie straps or something. Strap that up like that, so it doesn't flop so much. Then load what I can in there for weight, I guess, and see how it works. It did snow. It's been snowing quite a bit. You can't see that, but there we go. See my footprints. They've already actually filled in. So the sooner I get plowing, the sooner that this doesn't get super deep. So I gotta finish gearing this up and see if this plow will actually move any snow or not. Because otherwise, I gotta start shoveling soon, I guess. Oh god. Anyways, I'll show you guys, see how I make a